friends, this is Miss Lewis, and today we are going to be talking about social studies, which is a little bit different than what I talked about last time. So, you talked recently with Miss King about oceans, and today we're going to learn about some of the other landforms. So, landforms are characterized by how they look. So, we're going to look at each one, and then you're going to do an activity after. So, first we have a river. Do you know what a river is? A river is a large stream of water that flows through land. So here I have a river. This is water, and it's long and large, but it has land on both sides. It's going through the land. So that is what makes a river a river. Next we have a hill. A hill is a natural raised area of land. We don't have that many hills here in Jacksonville, but in other places in the United States, they have lots of hills. I'm from Tennessee originally, and in Tennessee, there's hills everywhere. That is those places that kind of look like rolls in that land. So this is an example of hills. Then we have lake. Lake is also a large body of water, but it is completely surrounded by land. So if you see a lake, it's going to be a big body of water, but there's going to be land all the way around it. You will probably, most likely, see one side of land from the other side. So that is what a lake is. A mountain is also a natural rise in an area of land, but these are very, very tall. So hills and mountains are different, because hills are not as tall as a mountain. A mountain comes to a point in a way, and so that's how you can see here, there's points, and that is what makes a mountain a mountain. Then we have a valley. This can be very, very tricky. This is the area in between mountains. So you see here I have my mountains, and I have arrows pointing to the shorter area in between two mountains. That is called the valley. Then we have an ocean, which I'm sure a lot of us are familiar with. The ocean is a huge body of salt water separating continents. So an ocean is also different from a river and lake because it is salt water, and rivers and lakes are not. But ocean water is much bigger, and it is separates different continents. So that's what makes an ocean an ocean. You probably have seen these different landforms at some point in your life, one way or another. I'm from Tennessee, so that is where the mountains are. We live close to the ocean here, and there's rivers and lakes everywhere. So, these are the different landforms, and I told you what makes each of them, what's the characteristics that makes them what they are. So now, I want you to get out a map, and maybe Google Maps. You might need your parents' help with this. I want you to go to Google Maps, and I want you to point out different landforms. So I might go to the map, and I might say, oh, I know that's an ocean because it's separating the two continents. So I want you to point it out. Then I want you to say, where do I see hills on this map? And I want you to point them out. You're going to point out one of each of these different landforms on your Google Maps. Make sure that you get your parents' help because you'll need a computer. If you don't know how to get to Google Maps and you have a regular map, just get out a map and point out each of the different places. I want you to take a picture or video of you identifying the different types of landforms, and I want you to send that to your teacher on your Class Dojo portfolio. I'm so glad I got to teach you today. I hope that you loved learning about landforms, and I hope you enjoy your activity. Have a good day.